The Pod Network Entertainment.
Hey everyone! Welcome to another episode of Carry Kita. We are your guides to the gaming world. We are both hardcore parents and hardcore gamers. This is Ray.
And I'm Joey. Our question for today is, Dota o ako?
Yan. Sobrang special ng ating topic ngayon. And of course, we have special guests. Joey, why don't you introduce them?
Oh no, I'd like them to introduce themselves.
Ayan, sige.
So we have Dwight Santos. Woo. And
I'm El Santos, Dwight's wife.
no, I'd like you to talk about yourselves. I mean, Dwight, Elle, and I actually go a long way.
We
Yeah.
do.
Way back.
Way back. And I've known them as a pair since forever. My forever.
Oo naman.
When exactly, if you can
I
recall?
know I met them online in 2003.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oo.
2003.
So back then, there were still what we call live journals and forums or message boards.
Yeah.
And then if you wanted to meet a person, mag-EB kayo.
Sa Mega Mall.
Kailangan sa
arcade.
Mega Mall. Kailangan sa Mega Mall arcade.
Or sa RCBC Plaza.
Correct.
Oh.
Siguro
I don't know
magandang
about that.
malaman where Dwight is now and Elle as well.
Hindi baka your point of view muna. Introduce them in your point of view. Parang, where did you encounter them first? And then, they'll take it.
And then
Hindi.
take it from a chronological
Yeah,
order up to
oo.
Ang
where
haba
they are
nun,
now.
though.
Mahaba yun because we go way back.
Kasi maganda yung background na di ba? It all, kasi lahat yan, di ba, gaming is our context, but everything else around it is also important. For instance, the context that we met them from, di ba? It's through this other project that we were doing called Mistula, di ba? So, you can tell the story.
Yeah, so in 2003, we had a project called Mistula. And it's a virtual band made up of dolls. So, and it had a blog component, a live journal component, even, ano ang tawag mo dun sa kung saan mo nilalagay yung mga photos before?
Multiply.
Photo bucket?
Photo bucket?
Photo bucket. Oh my God, nakakatanda.
I know.
Okay.
They just shut down.
Ay, nauna yung multiply, diba?
Yeah.
So, I think what happened was the front man of the band called Uno, he's a doll, but he has a blog because that's how he interacts with his so-called fans. That's where Elle left a message.
Yeah. I left a comment, I think, via that. It wasn't the main blog commenting section even. It was like an embed with the short messages that pop up. So I think I forgot what I said. I just said hi, and then it sort of started from there when you responded to me, and then we started talking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then when you see Elle online before in 2003, Shiro won't be far behind. So lagi silang magkasama. So when you see her comment, a few comments below will be Shiro.
And Dwight, paki-explain, sino si Shiro?
Sino si Shiro, Dwight?
Wait, so that time, hindi pa kayo nun di ba?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Yeah, so that's my other name. Pero since laging na misspell sa Starbucks, Dwight na lang. Pero na-misspell pa rin.
Oo, kasi may one time, binigay niya Shiro. Tapos binigay yung order niya, sabi, Shira.
Sobrang
dami.
laki.
Diba?
So minsan gusto ko Mark na lang yung pangalan.
Oo, kasi yung Dwight naman, napagkakamalan siyang twice. Dwayne.
Pwede.
Dwayne.
Madaming,
Ayan.
madaming misspelling. Yung the worst was dwarf.
Oh my God.
Yan. So napansin ko, lagi silang magkasama. So today's episode is about love
Yeah.
and gaming,
Yeah.
right? And we are going to unpack. We are going to dissect yung relationship ng mas magtatagal ba kayo kung gamers kayo?
Yun.
Ganyan, di ba? Or, and how does that happen? How does that unravel?
Okay.
I think Dwight and Elle actually met online.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, so yun nga, we had a message board for the young ones who are listening. It's where you post a message and then someone replies maybe a few hours later.
Aha.
It's a lot slower than chat and you have to moderate it. Para siyang FB groups.
Actually, pwede mo rin nata siya i-compare to like Reddit. I think it's the closest.
Yeah, Reddit is the
thing.
closest.
Reddit is
Reddit
the
is the
closest thing
closest.
that the kids will understand.
Yun. So if you're around a certain fandom, whether it be games or
Reddit
anime,
nga.
there's a message board for it.
Yes.
And nakita kami on a gaming message board.
Yun.
That's how we met.
Yeah. So I was a mod on that gaming message board. And then he was a new member. We all thought he was a girl. Kasi yung avatar niya and yung banner on his signature was a girl. And then we only found out later on when we started playing games together and meeting up, lalaki pala to.
So what was the first game you played together?
I believe it was Ragnarok Online.
Yeah.
Naku, maraming nabuong relationships
Oh.
dyan.
Oo. Tapos naka-dial-up internet pa kami.
56K, gano'n.
ISP Bonanza.
Right. Oo. Tapos
Ang
kailangan mo
ganda.
mag-top up para makalaro.
Correct.
Oh, ang
Oo.
galing.
Paano? Kwento niyo sa amin yun. Your first online meet-up.
I think it's Ragnarok is one of, at least in our ages, yung one of the first online games talaga. So I think we met up in the biggest server ng Ragnarok Online, Loki?
Loki
Chaos server.
No, we were in Loki.
Loki.
Oo.
So I think nagkita lang kami one time. I was a knight.
Yun, no?
You were a knight.
And siya is a hunter.
Yes, correct.
And then we just got into the same circles. So her friends became my friends. They were all into games. They were all nerds.
Yeah, we were all geeks. We loved anime. We loved games. We'd hang out at malls, play in the arcade. Naglalaro kami Initial D.
Bago kayo nakarating sa mall, ano yung, how were you attracted to his avatar?
Ako?
No, okay, correct. I stand corrected.
Yes,
I stand
kasi
corrected.
okay, for the context of everyone listening, when we met, I had a boyfriend who was also a gamer. But the two of us bonded over time. We became friends.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then siya nag-start.
Nang Ragnarok.
Oo.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasi we found that the character classes we played usually complemented each other somewhat.
Yun, no?
Yun.
Oo. And
Yun
then,
naman.
yun nga, we'd chat. Yun lang yung main way of communicating in Ragnarok Online. Wala pang voice chat or anything noon. You type it up as a text message. Pwede kayo mag-DM and ayun. And we also, since we are part of the same message board, we also interacted there. Pero yung pinaka nag-chat din kami was YM.
YM.
Yahoo Messenger.
Yahoo Messenger.
Ay, sorry,
Oo.
natatawa ako. Naka-date ito.
Yeah.
Oo.
So ayun. And then aside from Ragnarok Online, new online games started popping up. And then we tried
Okay.
them out.
Oh.
I think yung pinaka nagka-developan kami
Yun.
Yun.
Sige.
was Lineage 2.
Oh.
So it's this sort of epic high fantasy.
Korean MMO.
Yeah.
Mm.
And unlike Ragnarok Online, na cute little pixel sprites siya.
Yeah.
Lineage 2's, syempre nowadays, pangit na yung graphics niya. Pero at the time, it was way more advanced.
Yeah, I remember
Like-
Lineage 2.
Yeah, the scenery was beautiful. Yung village ng elven characters was like Rivendell in Lord of the Rings.
PC to, no? PC.
PC,
Ah.
yes. So, kaya kami nag-bond doon. Aside from ang ganda ng scenery, diba? We would explore the world together.
Ganda naman.
Oo.
Yun ang inyong
So,
date.
Oo, correct. So
Ganda.
parang sometimes we wouldn't always log in at the same time. Pero sometimes he would like go ahead and visit a new town and he's like, uy, ang ganda ng castle here. Baka gusto mo pumunta.
Yun na pala yun.
Yun. And stuff like, uy, parang may high level monsters dito. We can get a lot of XP if we work together dito. Ayan, explore natin yan. So we spent a lot of time in Lineage 2, I think. But aside from that, there were a lot of other games that popped up.
Yeah. And we usually, yun nga, like Elle said,
Mm.
we'd play complementary characters. So I'd be a warrior, a tank, or a healer. Siya usually archer or something long range like a sorcerer, wizard, ganyan.
Mm-mm.
And I guess it's post rationalization, but it plays to our personalities, I
Yeah.
guess.
Mm.
And parang that's how we got to talk more, got to experience something, not just a game together.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, when I encountered the both of them, syempre, ano lang yan avatar lang yan sa chat,
Yeah.
right?
Mm.
So you have actually no idea whatsoever, like who are they as people,
Mm-mm.
or ano nga ba yung itsura nila? I had no idea. But for some reason, even if you're just a chat, or if you're just a text, for some reason, the personalities come out.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like they chat a certain way.
Yep.
I mean, sabihin ko ngayon to. Si El may pagka-bossy siya mag-chat.
Oh, naman.
Diba? Bossy.
Aminado naman ako.
Oo. She's this super alpha on text. I mean, you get it. You get it. She has opinions, highly opinionated. She knows a lot about stuff. And Dwight would always be the funny one. She's like support.
I'm
Parang
usually the clown.
magbe-build siya ng nakakatawa. 'Di ba? So sabi ko, they're always complimenting each other to a certain, and you will never find them in any chat box. Chat box, apart. So
Ang galing.
if L is there, definitely there's a Shira there. He will not be far behind. So when I see her, I know Shiro is gonna leave a message at some point.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
And so sabi
Yeah.
ko, kayo ba? Diyan nagsimula.
Oo. Si Joey ang isa naming pinaka-enabler. Siya yung
Siya pala,
most
ikaw pala yun.
supportive of Dwight.
Oh my
Kasi
God.
even at the time,
I'm Team Dwight.
yeah.
Team Shiro all the way.
So even nung time na I had a boyfriend nga, and then she's like, wag na yan. Andyan naman si Shiro. Siya na lang.
Tigilan mo yan, di ba?
Oo.
Oo. I mean, you're always together online. So,
Yeah.
and I don't know if I can say this, but he actually had meron siyang ibang love interest.
Let's leave it at that.
yeah, please.
Parang may mga revelations tayo ngayon dito.
Hindi baka pag dinrap ko yung pangalan, maging controversial.
Okay.
So, meron siyang ibang love interest. So, sabi ko, wag yan.
Galing
Wag.
Girl,
Oo.
ano pala?
Oo.
Cupido ka pala.
Influencer
Oo
ako.
naman.
At the time, love
Influencer.
Sabi ko, Dwight,
Dr. Love.
Matchmaker.
you are looking at the wrong girl.
At the same time, she was telling me, El, you're with the wrong guy.
I know. Yan.
Galing naman.
Tama naman, no? How long have you been together since then? Since your Avatar days?
We've been together as a couple for 18 years now.
Yun.
See?
Drinking age na.
Oo.
Pwede na mag-debut ang
Mature
relationship
na.
namin.
Mature na. Legal na.
Wait, I'm curious. When did you finally see each other? No, this is my curiosity. So, I know, do you formulate a certain image in your head when Dwight is with you in avatar form? Meron ba? O ganyan talaga itsura niya?
Kasi by the time na naging kami, alam ko na itsura
No,
niya.
I mean, what if before that? Before you met? Before kayo nag-EB sa Mega Mall?
Wala masyado. Kasi we tended to change the look of our characters a lot.
Yes.
Tapos even on message boards, parang sometimes I'd
May
be a cute...
angel wings yung ulo ko dun eh.
Oo. Diba? And yun nga, yung as I mentioned earlier, sometimes yung avatar niya is a girl. And sometimes my avatar is a guy.
Right.
So, yun, hindi
So,
parang...
nagtatranscend sa avatar. It's really the personality.
Yes.
Mhm.
Gets.
Mhm.
Okay.
But I get what you mean na there are people that you can tell who they are sa ginagamit nilang avatar.
Mm.
Na kahit na parehong-pareho kayo, kunyari na warrior, pareho armor nyo, pero one guy looks a bit more, parang barbarian siya versus the other guy. By the way they chat, the way they
Yeah.
present themselves.
I remember seeing Elle in game. I mean, Elle and I would meet in Gaia Online.
Mhm.
She has a certain look to her eh.
Mm.
No matter which game she goes to, 'di ba? She would always be this magician mage type
Mhm.
character, often floating, right? And nangyayari sa akin yun eh. Sometimes associate characters to people. I remember playing in Genshin nga, and I've said this in the previous episode, where I'm not sure if you know him, JT
JT. Yeah.
Bandy, the
Yeah.
director, right? I associate him with Venti.
Oh, I see it.
Right?
I see it.
So whenever I see Venti, I would remember JT.
He's very light.
Right?
Yeah.
Yan.
Do you feel lost, doubting yourself, and tired? You question your worth and existence? Well, I'm here for you. Hey, this is Gailey Chavez, and I'm the host of Free Yourself Podcast. My podcast talks about self-love, self-discovery, and growth. This is for everyone who wants to live their fullest life and become the person that they could be. Let me help out and remind you that this is your life, your path, that you are not broken and you are worth it. Catch me every Friday at 8 p.m. See ya!
When did you finally meet each other?
And I'm not exactly sure of yung timeline. Siguro, we met as a group. Kasi nga we're part of a message board.
That's
It's
for
a
sure.
guild.
Gets.
It's a guild in Ragnarok. And then we all met together. Yun nga, Mega Mall, Time Zone. And to play games din.
Mm.
And
So-
yun, parang not only as kami, but also parang we met everyone else.
Yeah.
We got to know like who the guys behind the avatars are.
And how was that discovering the real people?
Kasabay pa kayo.
Sometimes kasi it can be surprising. So like, someone na sobrang angas ng avatar, yung pala super cute, perky girl. So it really depends eh. Some people tend to use their avatars to like symbolize themselves. Lalo na when you're able to like do customization, like change the eyes,
Correct.
change the hair. I think for the most part, Joey, when you saw me on Gaia Online, mas customizable yun eh. So
Yeah.
that tended to look more like me. Versus in Ragnarok or in Lineage, very limited character design options. So, paano ba? It was always fun to meet up with the other people that you usually just interact with online. So you get to play games together. You get to compete sa mga arcade games. I find arcade games really fun still. So the racing games, we are big on the racing games. So aside from the
Nice.
online games, like itong si Dwight nagpapasikat sa akin sa Initial D.
Yun.
So, yun. I think it was an important part of our socialization, getting to meet up with our gamer friends at least once in a while, but still coming together through gaming, but parang ibang platform lang.
Tsaka I guess it was safer to meet as a group.
Yeah.
Like I can't imagine meeting someone alone that
Correct.
Oo, true.
So parang at least like there were girls in our group, there were guys, and it felt safer for them kasi it's a group eh. Someone at least knew someone there that was not a sociopath.
Yeah.
And then if there was someone weird, they get filtered out. Kasi we've also had experiences with someone like
Oh, talaga?
very weird, stalking.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You know the people in our group.
Yes.
They got stalked. So parang the people helped filter out those other guys.
Mm. And then, when did you start
Real life dating.
magdevelopan?
Oo.
Kailan nag-start ang developments?
I guess it's a few years into that. That the more games we played, the
Yeah.
more anime we got into.
And the
Parang-
more time we spent doing stuff outside of gaming. So meeting up in person, na date na, hindi like
Oo, kayo din lang.
oo.
Mm-mm.
And talking on the phone. Telebaba was a
tama.
big thing when we were young.
Landline kasi pa kasi nila.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Telebaba talaga. Oo.
Oo. So, we'd
But
spend hours on
in a
it.
group, how did you single each other out? Chemistry? Ganon?
Well, I think we were talking now way before we met up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
You're chatting online
So you
a lot
already had
and
a
calling.
common interest.
Yeah.
May mga
Yeah.
kwento na pag-uusapan.
Yes.
Yes. So parang when you meet up in person, I guess it's not a surprise because you already know them na through how you played and then how you talk about it. Syempre, you've seen pics na rin. Parang back then, di ba? You share your photo bucket and then you get to know people. So it's less of a surprise.
Parang validation na lang.
Yeah, actually,
Right.
I have my own perspective on that. I mean, Ray and I did not meet online, but I met them online.
Mhm.
And when I saw them in person, I was not surprised too.
Mhm.
They were
Parang
what-
sila, they are who they are. Even if may pakpak sa ulo si Dwight online. Like when I saw him,
Naiwan ko lang sa bahay.
it
No,
was really,
parang ganun.
it
Parang,
was really him.
may ibang
Parang-
skin ka lang nagamit.
Oo.
And especially, it's like herself online. You know how now people talk about catfishing,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? Parang
Na sobrang iba. Parang,
I've never encountered that. Maybe
Yeah.
it's a generational thing.
Yeah, even the stories on Tinder, di ba? Like, it's very frequent that they meet an entirely different person.
Right.
But in our time,
In our time.
walang ganon eh.
mga panahon na yun.
Or maybe we were just lucky.
Maybe.
Or maybe we have not developed the digital skills to... Well,
Yeah.
Well, everything
Uno
evolved.
is
eh.
one.
Yeah.
Kasi Uno is a completely weird, different persona. He does not exist. But
Yeah. Can I go on a tangent lang?
of course.
I'm now realizing that you got started on VTubing with Uno.
Yes.
17
Before, no?
years before.
Oo,
In fact,
way before.
When I saw, okay, siguro just for context for listeners, no, Uno is the frontman of the band called Mistula,
The
and
virtual.
they are a virtual band that was formed 2003, and it's actually the glue between the four of us.
Yeah,
Pretty
yeah,
much.
definitely.
Oo. Mistula was our common ground. So we knew each other because of the Mistula community. And tama ka, Dwight, when I saw VTubing, actually I said, damn, ako gagawa ko na si Uno, pero sinong boses?
Yun na mahirap.
Oo, kasi
Oo.
I think he was designed to write, no? Because during our time, and I go back to what Elle was saying a while ago,
Live journal.
it was all about chat.
Yeah.
It was text.
Text lahat.
And
We
you can-
had the attention span to read.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
I love live journal actually. I miss it. You know how you can actually read through people's lives and they
Wow,
talk
you're
about
right. 'Di ba? Essays, 'di ba? Tapos
essays.
and then you get to the end, 'di ba? And then you absorb. Oo nga no, wala na nagbabasa ngayon ng
Yeah.
ganon.
And you had to read to the end before you comment.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
Yes.
Versus now,
versus
you
now-
see the headline and you
And then-
comment.
And you can actually
Ang galing,
go
galing.
through people's thoughts.
Yeah.
And I appreciated that. Yung parang stream of consciousness kasi siya eh, di ba? So parang yung journey niya nang na-realize niya to this, to that. And it's like, I miss that a lot. In fact, nung na-invento yung microblogging,
Mhm.
I felt sad. Because I
Yeah.
miss live journal.
Mhm. It was different. Tsaka I think that's what allowed us, taking it back, to filter people.
Maybe. no?
Because if you didn't
Oo.
if you didn't care about what I was writing,
You're right.
then you wouldn't comment anyway.
Correct. Ang galing,
Oo.
galing.
And you also kind of go to the more eloquent
Yeah.
You
writers.
you gravitate
diba?
towards.
You gravitate towards the ones who kind of mirror your thoughts, who speak eloquently. Tapos pag nakita mo siya in person, since nabasa mo na yung kanyang deepest, darkest thoughts,
Yeah.
you feel like you're close.
Yeah.
I think that's how I felt towards Elle.
Yeah.
I mean, the closest people we've connected through Miss Tula, we operate more or less on the same wavelength, diba? That, you know, about imagination, fantasy, and
RPG.
ideas come to life. Diba ganun siya eh? So,
Yeah. Galing lang.
Oo.
yeah. It's not a tangent at all. It's like, it's
Yeah,
super
it's
related.
It's a great detour. It's a great detour.
Yeah.
So you're still playing games now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Together still?
Not as often.
Mm.
I guess age and time has
Yeah,
caught up.
exactly.
Mhm.
Oo.
And also there are not a lot of MMORPGs now.
You're right.
Yeah. That's
There's
right.
very few times to play together in a long form. Like
Mm-mm.
most games are extraction,
Oo nga.
jump in, jump out.
Jump in, jump out, yeah.
I mean, I'm bad at fighting games. Mag-aaway lang kami pag nag-fighting games kami.
Ah.
Yeah.
So there's not a lot of games then. So the last one we tried was Palia. It's a farming
No, the last one we
MMO?
tried was Pal World.
Pal World.
Ah,
yeah.
the current
Again.
one.
Mm.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Nag-try ba kayo ng ano doon? Co-op? Kamusta?
It's okay. I mean,
Yeah.
it's budget Pokemon.
Budget, oo.
Pokemon
It's
with
fun.
guns.
Yeah.
And is it stable enough? Nag-tangent tayo to Pal World. Is it stable enough now? Or okay naman?
They've
Or-
had some recent updates, pero it's still janky. Pero
Oo.
it's part of the charm.
Yeah, it's
Mm.
part. Anyway, yeah. Mhm.
I think I'm also curious about you bonded, you said, on MMORPGs.
Yeah.
Ragnarok,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Are there any games na na-realize nyo in the end na, ay, iba pala yung gusto niya dito? Yung nag-divert Ay,
Mm.
ng...
I think through the years, I developed into a more like solo gamer. So I'm not really big on group things. Tamad ako mag-raid with like a big group. Like on
Right.
World of Warcraft. We used to play World of Warcraft a lot also. But I think when we started playing Tantra online, that was when I started like doing more stuff by myself. Sasamahan lang niya ako minsan. Pero yun, I think it's more of the gameplay style or preference.
Correct.
So he was fine with like joining up with groups, going with our guild to raid a dungeon. I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna do a little tiny quest here na maganda yung storyline. Versus like, oh, I wanna raid this dungeon to get the best equipment. So he was more of like optimizing the gear, finding the best build, and I was more of enjoying just the world and the lore of the games. So, yeah, when I play games, I tend to fixate on the story. Maganda ba yung kwento? Maganda ba yung world building? Which he also does. Pero yun nga, parang, at least to me, Dwight, correct me if I'm wrong. Parang dun nag-start mag-diverge yung
Yeah.
interest ng very slight.
Especially in
gaming.
MMOs, like I tend, to my detriment, I went into like getting into the like world first, realm first. So parang getting to be the top healer.
Mm-mm.
So I got into that. Siyempre, it was very stressful.
Mm.
Now that looking back at it, parang, okay, it's just an imaginary number.
Yeah.
So parang I got more into that. But CL, she went and did, like, we went and did that long story quests. And she was more into that talaga. In terms of a specific game that we both played, I don't think there was something like that. I that the most siguro, like, we found games and like got tired of it quickly. Pero both of us at the same
Yeah,
time.
both of us at the same time usually.
Mm-mm.
Do you think it's the evolution of the games or more you?
I think it's both.
Both, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi over time, MMOs got more expensive and then people stopped playing.
Mm-mm.
And then kami rin parang so Elle is quite the homebody and also a reader. So she enjoys the stories talaga.
Mm-mm.
Ako lately, I'm playing Helldivers, Sea of Thieves.
Action-oriented.
Yeah.
no?
Yeah, some game that I can trash talk someone.
Yeah. So when we game, we have
Very manly.
we have separate like rooms. So separate yung PCs namin.
Mm-mm.
But, you know, he'd be gaming with the boys in Helldivers. I'd hear him yelling, trash talking people. And I'm just here designing my new house in Sims 4.
Oh, yeah.
Or decorating my valley in Dreamlight Valley. So, yeah.
So I think yung game time nyo was actually affected by the types of games
Yeah.
that have been released.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oh, that's new? I didn't know
That's
that.
new. Kasi the
Because
the
nagbago
games
din eh. Nagbago rin yung games.
the games of before laid the perfect groundwork for the relationship to thrive. Oh, parang kinuha ko yun sa libro.
Insight?
Oh, parang kinuha ko yun sa... Wow. Parang
According to Nielsen.
according to Nielsen and Page.
Oh,
Ganyan-ganyan.
underline.
Oo. No, tama eh.
It's true. It's
Yeah.
true. And parang walang nag-thrive masyado na MMOs right now.
Yes.
I guess they got greedy then.
I remember.
Oo nga eh. Parang the transactions and the microtransactions.
Sobra.
That's a
Right now?
topic. That's a topic reserved for the geekier podcasts, but that's true.
Mhm.
But I am only realizing now na tama. I remember during the pandemic and coming out in the studies in gaming is that Valorant became the new Tinder. Remember?
So that was actually my next question. Eh, parang, do you think there's a game right now that
Would
is
foster,
providing
oo.
the new groundwork for the...
Valorant
for
nung
love.
pandemic eh.
I guess, ito rin naman underline. I guess, love finds a way. Oh my gosh. Okay, I shut up now.
Ikaw, do you think there's a game right now?
I can't really think of one that's recent because I haven't been keeping up with.
Well,
like, the
we're
more
also out of the
releases.
market
Yeah,
of
exactly.
finding love. So hindi
Exactly.
That's true.
Oo nga naman.
That's true. No, in the recent game insights, Valorant, and I will go back to what Dwight said a while ago and Elle also, no, na I mean, yung malaking insight mo na, magandang realm for finding love because it's about exploration, building
Valorant?
personalities. No, on the contrary, Valorant.
You're saying on the contrary.
Diba, Valorant was a fighting game.
Oo, it's so competitive na.
Competitive. Ang mga relationships, because you did say that love finds a way,
Kumunik lahat.
in Valorant,
Oh.
yung nagke-carry sa'yo, yun yung...
Pwedeng yun?
Yes. Yun ang kwento sa akin ng nagva-Valorant.
I guess it's that, di ba, parang conflict builds, parang affinity ba yun?
Parang Binoy Big Brother. Ba't ko sinabi yun? Alam mo yung nagsusupport sa'yo in the darkest
Oo.
times.
Pag hinil ka, malapit ka na mga
Yes. And-
Pwede.
Yes. Well,
Oo.
yan ang kwento sa akin ng mga nagva-Valorant. Kapag kinikerry ka nila, especially the newbies who are girls. A lot, they call them pandemic gamers, right? So they got into gaming during the pandemic. They are mostly girls. They're stuck in home. They don't know what to
Yeah.
do. They were thrust in a situation where people have been playing for a long time, so magaling sila.
Yeah.
Diba? Therefore, itong mga babae na to, shield them! Carry them!
There's an influx kasi.
Yes.
Although, this talk of carry kita, I mean,
Yun,
it's the
carry,
title of the
oo.
podcast.
She said the thing.
Yeah.
Right?
I said
Are we in a movie?
Dwight and I touched on it already that we would play complementary characters, right? So in a way, we would carry each other.
Gets.
So
It's the
yun nga,
same.
sometimes I'd play a rogue, like knife fighting, melee, and he'd be the healer. Or sometimes he'd be the tank, I'd be the archer, sniping from
Ikaw naman
afar.
sa Oo.
Oo.
So, in a way, we carried each other. And at the same time, I mentioned nga our different play styles. Like, he'd maximize his equipment. Tendency was, he'd tend to be a little stronger than me. Who likes, like, picking flowers, doing side quests, etc. So, there would be times na I would have no access to a certain area kasi high level masyado. And he'd be like, you wanna help me? You want me to help you level up? Para ma-access my area.
Oo,
Tama.
Ah,
oo.
sure.
I
yun.
guess that still rings true eh.
Mm.
Parang-
Oo, yun pa rin.
Oo.
Carrying
It's
pa
the
rin.
same. It's the same.
It's an acts of service.
Yun.
Oo.
Love
carrying.
language.
What is your love language? Ay,
Carrying.
nako, love
Carrying is the
language.
love language.
What is your love language? To be the support in his tank. Mga ganyan, di ba?
Yeah, to be the healer in times of need.
Yun. Okay. Bumalik
Yeah.
lang lahat doon.
No, I think it's a true whether in online, in the virtual world, or in real life, the needs are the same.
Yeah.
Yun na. Yun na yung underline.
Na,
Diba?
And lalo na nung pandemic, you felt all alone. Mas heightened yung feelings mo na, uy, kinicarry ako.
Oo.
Ganda.
So I'm also curious, no? Are there any other? Because we thrived in communities. Diba? May mga communities dyan. And in the communities, normally, pinag-uusapan yung in the building of relationships. Pag hindi gamer yung isa, tapos I think doon galing yung Dota o ako, diba?
Correct.
Yes.
Yung girlfriend,
Oo nga naman,
oo, ay doon galing yun yung line na yun. Yung girlfriend, hindi siya naglalaro.
Gamer,
Tapos the guy's a heavy gamer.
Yeah.
No, I mean, it just so happened that you guys are both gamers. Therefore, biglang nag-connect.
Yes.
But have you encountered in our communities na kontrabida yung isa?
Oftentimes, yeah.
Agree. Yeah.
And it's not just gaming. Like, if someone's into Gundam, and then their partner is not into it, diba? Parang, you feel na the other person is wasting their time on a hobby. And there are memes, diba, na tinatago mo yung binili mo from your partner.
Oo,
Tama.
nako.
I think
daming
it's a
ganyan.
bad way to live.
Correct.
Na you have to hide the Nintendo Switch you bought from your partner.
Ay, nako, ang daming ganyan sa communities ko. Yung mga parang, Paps, may bago akong bill.
Oo.
Paps, may mga itatago na naman ako kay Esme. Mga ganyan.
Well, Pops pwedeng pa-mark as raffle win. Yan yung mga
Oo,
usual.
tama. Oo. Grabe, no?
Yun, I think we came from a really positive relationship built on gaming. But there are also negative relationships
Yes.
Yes.
that are disrupted by gaming.
Yes.
In fact, mas prevalent yun. You are rarer, right? I mean, Ray and I are also gaming, so hindi ako masyadong nagre-reklamo kapag bumibili siya ng mga napakaraming peripherals. Anyway, but slight lang. But sobrang dami kasi guys. Anyway,
Ayan, lumalabas na.
malabas na, hindi ko mapigilan. So, but there are also, I mean, what Dwight is already talking about it, na kapag hindi kayo pareho ng interest, then it might not be a very positive relationship, right?
Right.
I mean, what is your thought on that?
To me, especially when I was much younger, when you first met me, Joey, you knew my temper. I tended to judge the girls who were mean to their boyfriends about gaming or anime.
Oh.
Because, as a kid, being someone who was interested in gaming and anime, I got that a lot from like the popular girls at school. So when I see like people who are supposed to be in a supportive relationship with each other, and then one is like trash talking the other person's hobbies, I tend to question, why did you even bother
That you'd even,
getting into a relationship with this person if you already knew na sobrang disjointed nung interests nyo? So, for you to go in there and think, oh, I can change him. I can make him a better person. I can
wow.
make him quit gaming. I'm like, no. Stop it.
Okay, are we going into the realm of myths? Di ba? Kaya may mga myths di ba? The myth of, can you change him or her? Yung mga ganyan. Ganda
Can
ng...
you stop a gaming boyfriend from gaming?
Yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Or each other, di ba? Changing someone else, di ba? It doesn't work.
I feel like it shouldn't be your goal to change the person. You're supposed to love this person for who they are while helping them grow into the best person they can be. But that doesn't mean you bulldoze over the things that they like.
Yeah, and to me, it's like an onion. Diba? You peel away all the layers and all you're left with is tears.
Oh my God! All of these things. And it's coming from us, ha? The
Paki-revive
gems.
ako. Guys, paki-Phoenix down ako.
The gems are coming from us.
Welcome to what I live with every day.
Kailangan niyo ako i-potion.
Ang ganda
I-potion
na
niyo ako.
onions.
Pero mahirap kasi it's both sides eh. It's,
Pakihil ako.
yan, kaya ako magaling. Pero it's communication eh, na at the start parang it's both parties. Are you gaming to the point na nine-neglect mo na yung partner? That's bad.
Yes.
But
Oo naman,
also,
yeah. Great.
are you being resentful of someone having a good time without you? Baka naman you want someone more dedicated, more ano. So, diba, you have to question, why did you get into the relationship?
Tama.
Kasi the gaming could be another thing. What if they're into their family, their job? You'll have the same problem. So I don't think it's specifically gaming. Gaming just so happens to be a lot of what people are doing these days.
Right. Oo.
Ganda, ang daming...
No,
daming
I think, ano siya eh,
learnings.
it seems to be prevalent.
Mhm.
Kasi, sabi nga nila, ang dami kasing mga, I mean, in our line, which is advertising, there are a lot of ideas around stopping boys from playing games. Right? And therefore, ibig sabihin, marami talagang mga, especially if it's actually nga, it's sexist, diba? Because we are gamers.
Yeah.
Diba?
You guys are more responsible than us. I know.
But again, gendered siya eh, diba? Gendered
The
siya.
memes are all about
Oo. But
women complaining.
women, it's always the girls complaining,
Yes.
which I felt nga was a bit sexist because
It is.
we don't complain, diba? I mean,
Agree.
I'm a gamer. I totally understand that it takes more than 4 hours to do a game run, right? But it seems like, so in my head, prevalent siguro to na marami talagang,
Marami siguro
I mean,
talaga.
just Dota o ako, which is a cultural phenomenon.
Yeah. It's
Ang
a song.
nagsabi nun ay babae.
Oo nga, no? It is a song.
Di ba babae yung nagsabi?
Yeah.
So, I really, I mean, it's a rich ground for,
We can go much deeper pala, no? On that. Na parang it's suddenly become like a stereotype and a gender issue na ganun yung portrayal palagi, no?
oh, and I think we were trying to change that recently, diba? I mean, we were talking about diversity in gaming, inclusivity in gaming. It's really not just, I mean, there are a lot of gendered issues in gaming. Like say, for example, mas trash talking yung mga lalaki.
Yeah.
Diba? That's also quite gendered. But again, I'm curious in relationships na at what point magrereklamo yung babae. Ito nang gagawin mo doon sa babaeng nagrereklamo. Tama yung sinabi ni El kanina na, well, how did you get in that relationship in the first place?
Yeah.
Baka nagwapuhan lang.
Oo. Tapos nalaman na, yun nga, na-peel away yung layer of the onion.
Tears na lang
Oh
yun.
no,
tears
gamer
na.
pala siya. Tears.
Oh,
Right.
no.
Oh. Tama yon. Baka gano'n, nagwapuhan. Tapos, oh no, gamer.
Or nag-best foot forward nung umpisa.
Correct.
Pero nung
Oo,
comfortable
diba?
na, di ba? Kinalimutan na niya yung girl.
Reverted back to the PC.
To the man cave.
To the man cave.
Or maybe there's an underlying issue also. We always talk about that.
Yeah.
Diba na, hindi pala siya okay. Diba? Hindi pala siya kasundo.
It's true. And I've been listening to, I don't know if you know Dr. K. He's Healthy Gamer
Yes.
on YouTube. So he was talking about this na it's kind of deep, pero in a nutshell, so men retreat to gaming to get their dopamine hit kasi we don't get compliments a lot. And I myself can attest na
Oh.
I can remember the last compliment I got because
For what? For your looks?
anything, men in general do not,
Okay.
parang the analogy is we
Know
don't get flowers. And you will remember that one time you got flowers.
Oo nga, no?
So you
Oo nga, no? Hindi ako nakakuha ng flowers. Hindi.
so you retreat into gaming daw. And I kind of
Yeah.
see
Oo nga,
that.
no? Oo nga, no?
Wow, that's heavy.
Oo. So
But it's true. It's psychology.
yes, and it's hard to pin down because men are also not conditioned to share their feelings.
Right.
It's,
So,
ano eh.
I take it out on that guy in Sea of Thieves, di ba? Parang ganun yung nangyayari.
It's cultural, di ba? It's
Yeah.
cultural.
Yeah.
So, oo.
Going back to relationship, I guess my last question would be, you know about catfishing naman,
Yeah.
right? And I think this is a parenting podcast. And in young relationships, and way back 10 years ago when we were all young, sabi nga natin, we were lucky because we were not catfished.
Yeah.
Nobody pretended to be someone who he isn't. But how do you think, I mean, being mature gamers now, how do you think children can be, I guess, prevented from being catfished?
You wanna get started?
You
I
go
wanna
ahead.
think. Sige. Well, number one for me is the
Kahit hindi child, kahit teen who
the
is,
teens. Yeah.
you know, a tween who is getting or exploring the possibilities of relationships.
Yeah. So I treat your teen, I believe, you should treat them like an adult already. explain to them,
Mm.
lalo na like maybe the boomers don't know. They've never been catfish, or I don't know. Maybe they have. Pero we know of it. And we have to explain na, hey, sometimes this can happen and you should be careful. I've never been a parent, so full disclosure. But
Mm-mm.
explaining to them the possibilities and then explaining to them na what's within their control.
Yeah. I mean, even if you are not parents, you are well aware of the
The risks.
things that can happen online because we have been online the longest.
Yeah.
Diba?
Correct. We have been online even before online existed.
Yeah.
The term online, I mean,
Exactly.
Dwight and I were talking about that, diba? Bago pa na discover yung mga digital jargons na yan. We were already doing it. right?
Mm-mm.
So we know the risks that even these, budding boyfriends and girlfriends are
Yeah.
getting
Yeah.
themselves into.
Yeah, nangyari. Like, it happens in Ragnarok Online.
Mm.
Back in the day, may magpo-post, oh, I'll give you this item. Just give me your load. So, it's actual real money transaction. Bibigay mo sa kanya yung load, bibigay daw niya yung helmet. Naloko ako. Nakuha niya yung 150 pesos ko, tapos nag-log out siya.
Oh.
So, that could happen in relationships, di ba, na either they have malicious intent or parang iba yung pinipresent niya na personality.
Meron ding meron ding song dyan, Chick Silog.
Yes.
Of course.
Ragnarok yun.
Ragnarok yun.
Ragnarok. Maraming nabuo sa Ragnarok.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
It's
It's
a
a-
cultural phenomenon.
Yeah, exactly. If they know the risks, it's not 100% sure na they will avoid it. Pero makakatunog sila na maybe I should be more careful. If not your parent, baka you might wanna take your friend if you're gonna meet up. Or maybe you shouldn't share your credit card info or your GCash to this person.
Correct.
Diba?
Totoo, Gcash. Or
The most basic things
or
actually.
photo, di ba?
Oversharing, yeah.
True.
Photos.
I guess what's scarier and wala pa akong sagot because we haven't lived through it is if they get you on the phone daw and they get 15 seconds of your voice, they can replicate it in AI.
Oh my gosh.
I-
AI is another thing
Yeah.
altogether.
And I don't know like how you can protect yourself from that na yung fact na if they ask you, hey, is this Dwight Santos? If you say yes, they have you on file saying yes. So they could use that for something.
Wow.
Yikes, that's completely different.
Yeah,
But I know, data privacy is also huge in gaming.
exactly.
That's another
Oo.
another
Not-
topic.
Not,
yeah.
not sharing your address, not sharing your age, your birthday, anything sensitive would be the first things siguro you should look at.
Like who to trust, I
Yeah.
think is the question. And you meet right now in games where you go in and out. Yun nga, hindi na-develop yung relationship enough for you
Yeah.
to trust a person.
Yeah, maybe
Correct.
you shouldn't give your selfie to XXX Sephiroth 69. Diba? Maybe a bit more picky.
Tama yun.
Oo.
Oh my God. 667.
Si Sephiroth siya eh. Ano ka ba? Bibigay ko pa rin.
Oo. Iba backstab ka niya.
Wala akong pake. Mahabang hair niya.
Na.
So what would be, siguro last na to, your message to,
Your message.
your message to, your love message to people who are looking for long-term relationships with fellow gamers.
Through games, yeah.
Ikaw muna.
Sige. In general, when I'm asked for love advice, because if you've been together for 10 years, amazing ka na sa kids eh. So they keep asking you for advice, right? So what I usually say is, why our relationship worked. We started out as friends with shared interests, and then it developed into something else. So I feel like you should build that relationship first before you rush into a romantic one. Lalo na in gaming, things can get fast-paced, nakaka-excite nga, uy, kineri niya ako, oh my God, he bought me this new helmet na rare, ganyan, nakakahilig siya. But yeah, I feel at the end of the day, it's really about building friendships and communicating to each other well. So yung advantage din namin growing up as gamers of our time, the way we communicated was, parang a little more authentic and honest na we'd express ourselves truly through our words. Sinusulat namin sa chat. And yun nga, the goal of us playing games together wasn't to get together. It was to enjoy that game together,
Yeah.
to enjoy that shared experience together.
Ganda.
So, yun yung love message ko, I guess, to people who are looking for love in gaming. It's like, be there to enjoy the game. And when you find the person who enjoys the game in a way that you enjoy it, or like in a way that complements how you enjoy it, then, ayun, baka, you can build it into something
Ganda.
more.
Fantastic.
Nice.
I'm inspired.
Oo.
Maghahanap ulit ako. Joke!
Oh no!
Oh no! Baka makahanap ka ng ano dyan.
Baka makatfish ako.
Oo. ng Chicksilog.
On my end, well, siguro to relate it to the kids, like, for real, no cap. Ayoko na.
I can't. No. Off-brand.
It's it's like an RPG, or like building your skills in Tekken or in Valorant. Hindi lang siya yung first game nanalo kayo, yun na yun. You have to work on it. There will be times na talo ka, there will be times na hindi mo ma-pull si Venti or si
You're
Jin.
right.
on
Hindi mo
first
siya
try.
mapupul. Perfect.
It's you work on it over time, you build experience, and then if it does get to there, then maybe it's meant to be. Kasi if you rely on the highlights of the game,
Yun, no?
Mm-mm.
Ang
Then-
ganda namang mga...
madidisappoint
effort.
ka kung matalo kayo.
Mm-mm.
I guess that's my advice.
Galing.
AF.
So many gems, ha?
So many gems
Ang
today.
ganda. Parang,
No.
I love the extended metaphors. Ha?
Yeah, let's end it kasi nag-start tayo kanina with them as avatars, right? Si El, tsaka si Shiro.
Mm.
So I think let's end it with, who are you now? I mean, your current real life
Current
persona.
states. Oo.
Okay. I guess I like to make cool stuff. So, yun, I've worked with Joey back in advertising, and I've taken a lot of that. I've started some agencies. So right now I work with Carlo Ople at Unbox Content Studios.
Mm.
Essentially, we make TikToks for people. We take what works, and I also have a clothing brand called Sneak Attack Design Lab. And
Nice.
I have a shooting studio in Makati called Big Studio. So I got into just building things. It's fun, but it's also very hard, like any game.
Yun.
Well, ako naman, I've mentioned already that I'm really into stories and writing. I'm still that. I also got into advertising as copy. Then I tried out being a strategist for a year. And then I'm going back to what I actually love doing, which is copywriting and being creative again. And yeah, that's most of my life has to do with words, whether like reading stories, telling stories, and even as a like tarot reader. I still do tarot. I've been doing it for like almost as long as we've been together. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. And I'm more of a casual gamer, as I mentioned earlier. Dwight's like more agit with the Helldivers thing and trash talking. So I've mellowed out, I guess. But inherently, I'm still that girl who loves stories and exploring new worlds.
And we're cat parents.
Yes.
Yeah, cat
Oh,
parents.
there you go.
Cat parents.
Cat parents, not catfishing.
Oo. Dahil sinabi mo yan.
Okay. All right. I think that's as good an ending as we can get for this episode. So, Joey, carry kita.
Carry yan ni Dwight at saka ni El.
Yun. Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Keri Kita.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.